Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tips and tricks for 2025. Today's video is all about how to change your email password on iPhone. If you've ever felt the need to update your email password for security reasons or after a potential breach, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes, but it can save you from a world of headaches later. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. It's always a good idea to keep things current. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Passwords. This is a new, more secure section in iOS 19, designed to manage all your account credentials safely. Next, you'll need to authenticate yourself. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to access the Passwords menu. Now, find the email account you want to change. It might be listed under iCloud, Gmail, or another provider. Tap on it, and then select Change Password. If it's an iCloud account, you'll be prompted to go through Apple's security verification. Enter your new password twice to confirm it, making sure it's strong. Think a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Hit Save or Update, and your iPhone will sync the changes across your device. Don't forget to update the password on other devices too, like your computer, to keep everything consistent. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, double-check your internet connection or restart your iPhone. And always use a password manager for better security in 2025's digital world. There you have it. You're all set. Changing your email password on iPhone is a breeze and keeps your info safe. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.